I don't know if your son told you. From this seat you're seated on to the very last pin in this house, I own them. Your son and I are living here simply because I love him.
What have I done to that woman? Why does she hate me so much?
Fellas, it's obvious you are not the kind of man she wants for her daughter. Get it into your head and leave that girl alone.
How?
This is not your husband's house, okay? So you cannot come all the way from the village to teach my wife how to live in her husband's house.
Don't allow your family run you. You need to run your family. Men who allow their family run, they die quickly. What have you done to my daughter?
My in-law, please, my in-law.
What have you done to
my in-law?
What have you done to me?
What is this if you're doing in this house?
Mama, why are you embarrassing my sister now?
Shut up your mouth!
Mama, if you don't allow me to go to the village, I will tell everybody my mission here.
I'm sorry, I won't be a slave in my own house.
You don't understand. You know how my mom behaves.
I am warning you for the last time. Leave me and my daughter alone.
I did not raise up a mugu. You have become one! You are